Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to buy an electronic gift card on Pizza Hut online. Open the website buypizzahutcards.com/gift card. Once you're on their website, you will see the types of gift card. Click on the Order Now button under e-gift cards. Now, select the design of your e-gift card. Then click on Next Step. After selecting, you can now personalize your e-gift card. First, select an amount from the list provided, or you could enter a custom amount on the field under Other Amount. Next, select the quantity. After that, select if the card is a gift or for you. If it's a gift, enter the first name and last name of the recipient. Then on the From field, enter your name. On the fourth field, enter the recipient's email. You could also upload an image or record a message for the recipient. However, if the card is for you, just add a personal message on the field provided. After entering all the required information, you can now schedule your delivery. If you want to send it immediately, select Send Now, then click on Add to Cart. But if not, select Send Later. Then enter the date and time of the delivery. Lastly, review your order summary. If everything looks good, click on Checkout. That's how you buy an electronic gift card on Pizza Hut online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.